Hey guys, it's Eddie from WTI, and today I want to share with you one of my favorite t-shirts ever. I'm referring to my Mickey Mouse t-shirt. Now, a couple of features about this shirt that I love. First of all, it's extremely comfortable to wear. Very lightweight and very breathable, and you can tell when you look at the material. If you look closely, you can see it. Very lightweight, very breathable, very soft. Also, you'll notice it has no tag. Just got the Disney logo on it, which goes for the quality. And third but not least, I love the look of it. It's so vintage. So it's got that yesteryear look of vintage Mickey Mouse. As you can see, it's awesome. But let me try it on so you can see what it looks like when you were wearing it. So there it is. It feels great when you wear it. It feels very soft and very casual. I absolutely love this t-shirt, and I think you will too. That's my point of view.